Namaste. Hello. I'm Samit from Akshobhya Foundation. So, what is stress? It's a very fundamental thing to understand in today's scenario of life. Everybody is going through this one particular disease, and this is called stress. What is basically stress? Stress literally means and complete exhaustion. It's a state of being exhausted from energy, or it is a state of complete exertion. When we term stress, there are basically three types of stress: physical stress, mental stress, and emotional stress. Physical stress is when you have overly utilized your physical body and it is completely tired now. It is not able to do any further activity. That is when it is called as physical stress. Mental stress, when you are thinking too much and you are continuously thinking in the process of finding a solution to a particular problem, and your mind is not able to stop itself and it's completely jam packed with the thoughts, then it is called as mental stress. Emotional stress is when you are undergoing through an emotional situation where a particular situation stresses you so much that you just want to be away from it. This is called emotional stress. Now, when we are coming to physical stress, the solution is simple: you only need rest. But when it comes to mental stress, what about mental and emotional stress? How to find solutions to these? The psychology says that we think perhaps 62,000 thoughts per day. Then, if you are thinking more than 62,000 thoughts in the day, it is termed basically as stress. This is basically what I mean as overthinking. Only when you overthink, you feel that you are stressed out. You have a particular problem, or you are going through a particular situation of problems. Now, in this scenario, your mind it is naturally inclined to find solution. It tries to find solution out of its thoughts, whatever with the given scenario or situation. Now, with this thought pattern, it tries to find various solutions without giving itself rest. This is when it is termed as mental stress. And emotional stress also the same way. You are going through a particular kind of an emotion and you are not able to stop yourself from it, and the thoughts are making you get more and more emotionally stressed out. This is what is called as emotional stress. And overthinking causes so many issues like diabetes. Everybody knows stress causes diabetes. Overthinking and stress causes hypertension. Overthinking and stress causes PCOD to women. Now it's called PCOS or PCOX. And thyroid issues, various hormonal imbalances and disorders. Now the fundamental questions remains: is your overthinking and your stressful situations worth your health? Think about it. Everybody knows that when the body is overly exerted, you just give it a proper recommendation of sleep or rest and the body rests. But what about mind? Are you able to actually give it rest? Even when you are trying to sleep, you are continuously thinking about this solution. How will you get sleep? There is no rest to the mind at all. So where will the rest come from? It is naturally going to be inclined to stress. The most fundamental thing we need to understand is that stress is basically caused for the solution. Solution is when the problems are happening in the present situation. You want to solve with the particular instance or a thought or a solution for the upcoming future event. In the meantime, you are forgetting the present. And where you are resorted is on making solution, and you are adhered to your thoughts that you are not able to stop it, and it goes to an extreme extent possible, and it causes you a lot of stress. Now, how do we go about solving this problem? We all know, and everybody has heard this, that a cool and a calm mind has the right solution and has the right way of thinking. All it requires is keeping ourselves cool and calm. We can keep ourselves cool and calm, but why not get the right solution? That means we can somewhere say that we are not able to give ourselves the real calmness or coolness which will provoke the actual right thinking or actual right solution. Then how do we keep ourselves calm? To keep ourselves calm, there is only one and the best way, and that is meditation. It's a scientifically proved method that can only burst your stress out and which can actually help you stay calm to think the right answer and the right solution to your problems. Join now on akshobhyafoundation.com. The links are down below in the description. Join right now. Let me help you calm your mind, calm your thoughts, give you the right calmness and coolness that you can get your right answer and right solution out of your own self. So register right now. Let me help you meditate. Until then, stay tuned. See you all.